Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. In today's video, we will learn about operators in the Python programming language. There are arithmetic operators which are used to perform common mathematical operations. Some of the operations are as follow: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. They are used as shown in the image. Then comes assignment operators, which are used to assign values to variables. The most used assignment operator is equal to operator, which just assigns the value to the variable. Then some other types are like this: plus equals, which will add the said value to the current value of the variable. Similar for other arithmetic operators used as shown. Then comes comparison operators, which return a true or false or a boolean value. Some of them are as follow: equals, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and they are used as shown in the image. Then comes the logical operators, such as and, or, which are used as shown. Then comes the membership operators, which are in and not in. They are used as shown in the image. So this was some basic info about the operators in Python. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such short learning videos.